just here at the al dente cooking class, about to learn to do some pasta cooking on their first part of the tour before we go anywhere else. We've got Terry walking around in the yellow, then we've got Paul, then we've got Bethany, Felicity, and young Lindsay. All ready to cook some pasta, guys? Yeah. Awesome. Beautiful scenery from our cooking kitchen in the Yarra Valley. Nice day, nice scenery. Quick stop to the chocolate shop in Yarra Valley for the boys and girls. Here we all are at the Buxton Trout Farm, waiting to go in. They're all excited to catch lots and lots of fish. Lindsay fishing at the trout farm, trying to catch some fish. They're being a bit smart for us at the moment. Maybe it'll catch some soon. There's the rest of them over there, trying to catch some fish as well. Just everybody at the Bushfire Memorial reflecting on the tragedy of 7th of February 2009.
Children asking if you think. He cried, I go down to play by the Yarra River where the bank is dry.
Everybody's just hanging around, looking at the koalas, taking some photos of the cutie little koala in the tree over there. See? There they all are. Look at them. There's our lucky Lindsay.
Go for it.
Good.
Ducks are going to go for a swim in the pool. Look at them. Aren't they cute? Look, there they go. They like go for a swim, drink some water. Supposed to be for the guests, but you know, even the ducks can have a bit of fun. Rocky concussed itself in a tree. Is now hiding in the bushes. I think it's a little bit stuffed.
Felicity enjoying the pool at the resort that we're in, having a nice swim on this 33-degree day.
Thank you.
Last breakfast together on our last day before they go back to their houses. You all had a good time?
Yeah, under now.
Awesome. Have a good time, Lindsay? Good.